We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the morning of July 4th, 2026. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Hope you all are able to find a way to celebrate today despite the extreme heat and the severe thunderstorm risk. Once again, please excuse my voice. I've been getting over this cold, making progress, but it's taking its time. Once again, another very hot day today. Past few days, we've set some records. We tied it on the first. We we broke it by 2 degrees on Thursday, and then yesterday we broke it by 3 degrees. 101, 102, 103 are the temperatures over the past few days, and don't look to be quite as hot today, but still a very hot day. 100 degrees looks to be our high for the day, and that'll tie the previous record set back in 2012. Now we do have an extreme heat warning once again for areas east of the Blue Ridge and even the far northern Shenandoah Valley there. That began at 10 a.m. and will last us until 9 this evening, and even have some heat advisories in the Shenandoah Valley and extreme southwest Virginia as well. Once again, the New River Valley and the peaks of the Blue Ridge do not have any sort of advisory or warning. But what I really want to spend a good bit of time on here today, this is what separates us from the past few days. The past few days we've just had really hot and really humid, and that's about it. But today, as this ridge starts to break down, we do have a risk of some severe thunderstorms today. And when you look back at the history of times where here in Central Virginia that we've had several days over 100, and there's typically a severe thunderstorm during that stretch, and sometimes a memorable one. I mean, you can remember back to 2012 if you lived in Central Virginia during that time, the derecho storm that produced damaging winds and knocked us out of power for many locations, out of power for 5 to 7 days. That was certainly a memorable one. But even more recently, in 2020, we had a stretch of several days over 100. And a lot of trees came down in the Shenandoah Valley due to some severe thunderstorms. And another time in 2024, we had a very hot stretch and some severe storms as well. So all that to say, today certainly stands the risk of some severe storms. The main area I want to highlight here is north of Richmond, up 95 towards D.C. and up towards Baltimore as well, and even as far northeast as Wilmington, Delaware. That's the main area that could have some severe thunderstorms today, but really the entire state. I mean, even if your area in particular doesn't get a storm, you could certainly have these storms. And do please, if you have outdoor 4th of July plans today, please make a plan B so you're prepared to go inside if we do get one of these strong storms. Main time frame looks to be between 2 and 9 p.m. and it's possible there could be a storm come through earlier and then some redevelopment behind it. With as much instability as we have out there today, it's hot and humid as it is. And even up to 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts are certainly possible with these storms. So yeah, please be careful out there today. Be keeping you posted. We'll send out another video if we have a severe thunderstorm watch issued, and we'll keep you posted on your area for the warnings as well. But definitely, really want to highlight this today, given that it is the 4th of July, and a lot of people are probably trying to have outdoor plans, especially as it cools down. Yeah, please be careful today. Definitely want to give you all a heads up on this. Now tomorrow as well, we could have another round of severe storms as the cold front really tries to push into the area. And even as we head into Monday, that front is going to stall out just to our north and kind of Sunday evening on into Tuesday, and that could give us some multiple rounds of heavy rain, which we very much need, but it could come in the way that it could produce some flash flooding. So we'll be keeping you posted on that as well. Yeah, normally don't use the old email address for this, but just wanted to give you all a heads up today. The old email Google Groups, but just yeah, wanted to give you all a heads up because of how just the severe risk for today, and given that it's 4th of July, we'll be keeping you posted on all this. And also, happy birthday to Abby Stevens today, and I hope you have a good 4th of July, and thanks, and have a great and safe evening.